at Crowborough. This is our new E290 pull down bandsaw. Right, the features on the machine. It features a cast iron bow. It has carbide tipped guides here for the blade, backed up by vibration reducing rollers. It has a wire brush down here for cleaning the blade as it goes through. As you can see, coolant supplied here through the taps. Gearbox is sealed for life, a large motor here. And the machine will mitre left and right. As you see here, it will swivel round to the right to 45 degrees. If we pull a latch out at the back, like so, the machine will go round to an additional 15 degrees, making a total of 60 degrees for mitering on this way. If we go the other way, it goes to a dead stop here, up to 45 degrees this way. And naturally, of course, we can move the vise across to this position and lock it here for doing the cuts in this direction. The vise has two very good features on it. One of them is that you can move the vise up very quickly to the workpiece, so you can go from large to small very quickly, turning it the rest of the way on the handle. But also you have a quick lock, so if you've got repetitive pieces going through, you don't even have to touch the handle. The lever down like that and it's locked. This is the scale for the mitering. As you can see, it's on 0 at the moment, and you can just see through the wire brush for cleaning the blade, which I mentioned earlier. As you can see, this is a coolant tank. You can take this tank out and clean it if you wish after a few months of use. Very easy to remove. Plenty of room in here to store your blades, sandwiches, anything else you like to keep in there. So the control panel. Obviously in the morning you'll come in and you'll switch it on here, and you can switch it off there when you've finished. There is an additional mushroom stop button there for emergency stops. Very simple machine. It has a slow speed for stainless steel and hard materials, and a fast speed for mild steel and other soft materials like aluminium, for instance. So this is a trigger switch for operating the machine. It's like a dead man's handle, so you just pull this and the machine will start to cut. And as you can see, there is a gauge here for setting the tension of the blade. There's a green zone there for the correct position, which it's in at the moment. Right, I'll do two cuts, one straight cut and one mitre cut, and then you'll see how quick it is. I haven't got the coolant on today, it's not worth it for two little cuts. Machine round to 45 degrees, lock it up, unclamp the material, clamp, start.